Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change background in Zoom app mobile version. So, in order to change your virtual background in previous version of Zoom, you can set virtual background from here, from the settings, the meeting settings. But in new edition, new version, if you update into Zoom Workplace, you cannot do that anymore. So you can set virtual background when you join meeting. For example, you can start new meeting or join new meeting, and you have to slide or drag the toolbar, and you can tap apps here where you can set virtual backgrounds. You can tap virtual backgrounds, a powered by Pixels by third app or third websites. So there you can search manually, or you can tap three dots to make it blur. And also there are four categories that you can set as your virtual background. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.